Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious turkey enchiladas. First, gather all your ingredients, such as 2 cups of cooked turkey, 12 corn tortillas, and 1 15-ounce can of enchilada sauce. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare any additional fillings like sautéed onions or peppers. This initial setup ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking process for your meal. Next, warm your tortillas in a microwave or on a griddle for about 15 seconds each to make them flexible. This prevents them from cracking when you roll them. Fill each warmed tortilla with about 1/4 cup of your seasoned turkey mixture and a sprinkle of cheese. Roll them up tightly and place them seam-side down in a 9x 13-inch baking dish. Now, pour your favorite enchilada sauce generously over the rolled tortillas, ensuring they are fully covered. Sprinkle with about 1 cup of shredded cheese, such as Monterey Jack or cheddar. Bake in the preheated 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Let them rest for a few minutes before serving. For a quick meal, use leftover turkey from a holiday dinner. You can also experiment with different cheeses, like a spicy pepper jack, or add black beans and corn to the filling for extra texture. Adjust the spice level of your sauce to your preference, from mild to extra hot. Garnish with fresh cilantro and a dollop of sour cream for a perfect finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.